Imagine this. Your kitchen is alive with the sound of sizzling pans, the gentle hiss of steam rising as you prepare a meal. The air is filled with anticipation, and you're about to add a secret ingredient that will elevate your cooking to a whole new level. You reach over to your windowsill, where a lush green bunch of herbs waits for you. Herbs you've nurtured and grown yourself, right at home. There's something deeply satisfying about harvesting your own ingredients, knowing exactly where they've come from and how they've been cared for. As you pick a handful, the aroma bursts forth, fresh, vibrant, and utterly irresistible. It's a scent that promises flavor, health, and a touch of nature's magic in every leaf. The experience is almost meditative, connecting you to the earth and the food you're about to create. This isn't just about adding a sprinkle of green to your plate. It's about starting a flavor revolution right in your own home. Even if you only have a small pot on your windowsill or a tiny balcony, you can grow a world of taste and possibility. Herbs are so much more than a garnish. They're the unsung heroes of the kitchen, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. They bring color, aroma, and a burst of life to every dish, while quietly supporting your health in the background. Picture a simple tomato sauce bubbling away on the stove. It's good, but it's missing something. A spark, a note of freshness that will make it unforgettable. Now imagine tearing fresh basil leaves and stirring them in. Suddenly, the sauce is transformed. It's singing with the taste of summer, bright and aromatic, as if you've captured sunshine in your meal. That's the power of fresh herbs. But herbs aren't just about taste. These little green wonders are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds that support your well-being. They can help with digestion, soothe inflammation, and even provide antioxidants that protect your body from everyday stress. From boosting your immune system with a cup of herbal tea, to making family meals healthier and more vibrant, herbs are true multitaskers. They're nature's way of giving us a little extra help right at our fingertips. When you chop rosemary and scatter it over roast potatoes, you're not just adding flavor. You're infusing your food with centuries of tradition and a touch of nature's magic. Each herb has its own story, its own unique benefits, and its own way of making your meals memorable. So let's take a journey through the herb garden together. We'll discover classic favorites like basil, rosemary, and thyme, and maybe even a few surprises that can make your cooking truly stunning and your life a little healthier. It's time to stop thinking of herbs as an afterthought. Let's put them at the very heart of our cooking, making them the stars of the show. With just a handful of fresh herbs, you can turn a simple meal into something extraordinary. Cooking with herbs is simple, creative, and endlessly rewarding. It's one of the easiest ways to add excitement, nutrition, and beauty to every meal you make. Plus, growing your own herbs brings a sense of pride and joy that's hard to beat. So, are you ready? Let's dive in and start this tasty adventure together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's a world of flavor waiting for you in your own back garden, or even on your windowsill. Once you experience the joy and flavor of fresh herbs, you'll never look at a humble bunch of greens the same way again. Let's unlock the secrets of the herb garden and transform every meal into a celebration. Let's kick off with rosemary, a kitchen classic. Its woody, pine-like scent is iconic, but rosemary is more than just for roasts. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, it's a hidden gem for your health. Studies even suggest its aroma can boost memory and concentration. In the kitchen, rosemary is versatile. Toss a sprig in with steak, mix into bread dough, or roast with veggies. Infuse oils or vinegars for posh dressings, or make a rosemary syrup for lemonade or fruit salad. Its strong flavor means a little goes a long way. Don't just save it for Sundays. Experiment and let rosemary shine in unexpected dishes. This humble herb is a true kitchen superstar. Get some fresh rosemary and start exploring. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Next up, let's talk about thyme, a tiny herb with a huge personality and a fascinating history. For centuries, thyme has been cherished not just for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. Ancient Egyptians used it for embalming, while Greeks believed it brought courage. Today, it's a staple in kitchens around the world, and for good reason. Its gentle, earthy taste is like a warm hug in herb form, infusing comfort into every dish. Whether you're making a classic stew, a slow-cooked casserole, or even a simple soup, thyme brings a subtle depth that ties all the flavors together beautifully. But thyme isn't just about taste. It's a true powerhouse for your health. It's loaded with thymol, a natural antiseptic and antibacterial compound that's been shown to help fight off germs and support overall wellness. Plus, thyme is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which are essential for a strong immune system. Especially during the colder months, adding thyme to your meals can give your body a helpful boost. In the kitchen, thyme is incredibly versatile. It's a must-have for stocks and stews, and pairs perfectly with chicken, mushrooms, fish, and even roasted vegetables. Its aroma is unmistakable, and just a few sprigs can transform an ordinary meal into something special. Thyme's robust flavor holds up to long, slow cooking, making it ideal for one-pot wonders and hearty dishes that simmer for hours. It doesn't lose its character even after hours on the stove. And don't toss those stems. They're packed with flavor too. Add them to your stocks for extra depth, or lay them over barbecue coals to infuse your food with a fragrant herbal smoke. Every part of the thyme plant is a gift of flavor, from the tender leaves to the woody stems. It's a true example of how even the smallest ingredient can make a big difference. So, don't underestimate this little herb. Its size may be small, but its impact, both in taste and health benefits, is enormous. Add thyme to your meals and you'll instantly notice the difference. It elevates simple dishes and brings a touch of magic to your cooking. It's a tiny plant with a big impact, one you'll want to keep close in your kitchen and your garden. Basil, the scent of summer and the heart of Italian cooking. Its sweet, peppery aroma is uplifting, and it's packed with vitamin K and antioxidants. Basil supports digestion and brings a restorative freshness to your kitchen. Use basil fresh and add it at the end of cooking to preserve its delicate flavor. Make your own pesto, toss leaves over salads, or stir into pasta sauces. Try basil in your G&T for a fragrant twist. Explore different types: Genovese, Thai, lemon, and cinnamon basil, all with unique flavors. Growing basil is easy. A sunny windowsill is all you need. Let basil bring a burst of summer to your meals. Discover its varieties and enjoy its health benefits. It's more than a garnish, it's pure joy. Fresh basil, fresh perspective. Basil. Sage, a herb with history and a bold, peppery aroma. Its name means to save, and it's long been valued for its cleansing and antiseptic properties. Modern science confirms sage is rich in antioxidants and may even support brain health. In the kitchen, sage shines in burnt butter sauces, with pasta, pork, or roasted veggies. Try crispy sage leaves as a garnish, or add chopped sage to bean stews for depth. Sage is a bold herb. Use it wisely, and it will reward you with unforgettable flavor. Let sage add wisdom and wellness to your table. Oregano, the Mediterranean classic, famous on pizza, but so much more. Fresh oregano has a complex, vibrant flavor and is one of the most antioxidant-rich herbs. It contains carvacrol and thymol, powerful compounds with antibacterial properties. Oregano is perfect in tomato sauces, Greek salads, and marinades for grilled meats. Add it to eggs, make oregano oil for drizzling, or use in Mexican dishes. Its robust taste brings sunshine to your kitchen and a punch of healthy benefits. Don't limit oregano to pizza. Let it elevate your everyday cooking. Experiment and enjoy its Mediterranean magic. Oregano. Small leaves, big flavor. Your new kitchen essential. How do you make herbs part of everyday cooking? Keep it simple. Start a small herb garden. Just a few pots on a windowsill will do. Hardy herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage thrive and are always ready to use. Remember, woody herbs go in early. Soft herbs like basil and parsley go in at the end. Don't waste the stalks. Chop and use them for extra flavor. Store herbs like flowers, snip ends, stand in water, and refrigerate, except basil, which prefers room temp. Preserve herbs by blending with oil and freezing in ice cube trays for instant flavor bombs. Make herbs convenient and you'll use them every day. Little changes make a big difference in taste and health. Fresh herbs, fresh habits. Your kitchen transformed. Herbs aren't just for cooking. They bring wellness to your whole home. Make herbal teas. Steep fresh thyme, rosemary, or sage for a soothing drink. Simmer herbs with lemon and cinnamon for a natural air freshener. Add herbs to your bath for a relaxing, aromatic soak. Infuse vinegar with herbs for a homemade antibacterial cleaning spray. These simple rituals fill your home with natural scents and benefits. Let herbs enhance your daily routine, from kitchen to self-care. Small touches, big impact. Live well, live herbal. So there you have it, a tour through the world of savory herbs. From the familiar basil and parsley to the more adventurous tarragon and chervil, each herb brings its own story, aroma, and magic to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, herbs are your ticket to transforming everyday meals into something truly special. They're flavor bombs, health boosters, and creative partners in your kitchen. A sprinkle of fresh herbs can elevate a simple salad, a hearty stew, or even your morning eggs, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Their vibrant colors and scents awaken your senses and invite you to play with new combinations. Each herb has its own personality and unique benefits. Some, like rosemary and thyme, are robust and earthy, while others, like mint and cilantro, are bright and refreshing. Beyond taste, many herbs offer antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support your well-being. Start your herb adventure, buy a pot, grow your own, and experiment. Visit your local market or nursery, pick up a few favorites, and watch them thrive on your windowsill or balcony. There's something deeply satisfying about snipping fresh leaves for your next meal. There are no strict rules. Trust your taste buds and have fun. Mix and match. Try new pairings, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Cooking with herbs is about creativity and joy, not perfection. Cooking with herbs connects you to nature and tradition. It's a way to honor family recipes, explore global cuisines, and create new memories around the table. Every handful of herbs is a link to generations of cooks before you. Remember, health info here is for inspiration. Always consult a professional for medical advice. Herbs can support a healthy lifestyle, but they're not a substitute for expert guidance or prescribed treatments. Herbs are about adding joy and wellness to your life, not replacing medicine. Enjoy their flavors, explore their benefits, and let them be a delicious part of your daily routine. This is just the beginning. There's a world of herbs and spices to explore. From your own kitchen to markets around the globe, every culture has its own herbal traditions waiting to be discovered. I hope you're inspired to see herbs in a new light. Let them spark your curiosity, fuel your creativity, and bring a little more green into your life. Keep cooking, keep experimenting, and enjoy the power of fresh food. Every meal is a chance to nourish your body and delight your senses. Lovely jubbly, here's to your flavorful, healthy journey. The adventure starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Happy cooking!